Morning, Steve here in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, overnight we've got beans and corn turning a little higher while wheat's down a little bit lower in Chicago. Much of the news is pretty much the same. As far as U.S. weather is concerned, over the next 2 weeks we're going to be seeing normal to above normal temps and probably normal rainfall across most of the Midwest. The 8 to 14 day map does dry things out in the northwest part of the U.S. And we'll be watching to see if too much rain in the eastern part of the Midwest and maybe the Delta will slow final plantings down. But we feel for the rest of the Midwest, this is favorable crop conditions. As far as the bean market is concerned, the main issue is that the funds are small longs, but there has been no new China soybean sales this week. Brazil and Argentina export soybean prices are 25 to 35 cents cheaper than U.S. And we just don't know, with all of the tension between U.S. and China right now, if China is going to buy beans. So the funds may get tired of being long beans and test the lower end of the trading range. The higher end of the range could be tested if they do come in and buy. So it's kind of hard right now to sell beans if they buy or buy beans if they don't. Soybean meal contract made new contract lows on slow demand. And so I think that is an issue that we have to deal with over the next few months. Corn market will be watching the ethanol report today to see if production is slowly improving and if stocks are coming down slowly. Then we have export sales tomorrow. And again, corn market feels that there could be better sales, at least short term. But the key is the increase in carryout and the talk about a bigger U.S. crop. Now, there could be farmers shifting from corn acres to bean acres because of the low price of corn, but I don't think that makes a big difference to the carryouts yet. As far as the wheat market is concerned, it's the tale of two issues. Number one, USDA's May report was negative on world supply and stocks, and the funds are short. The other issue is that it's going to remain dry in parts of Europe and Russia. And Russia domestic wheat flour prices are record high. So we'll see if they extend their export quota limit into July after June. So that might be an issue. Also, world buyers in wheat are uncovered, and so they could become net buyers at these prices. There is rains for the southern plains, and so there was a crop tour in Colorado yesterday. It showed the crop below USDA numbers, but the Kansas crop is improving. So the wheat market may be near seasonal lows, but don't expect much of a bounce unless there is a crop problem in Europe and parts of Russia. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.